Dattatreya Agency is situated at Isamia Bazaar, Television Hotel Lane, Koti, Hyderabad. We are distributors for Harrison's luggage, Carolite suitcases, Encore luggage and Got It bags, and we are manufacturer of all types of traveling bags, school bags, college bags, international luggage, etc. Harrison's bags come with 3 years warranty, and it will be exchanged within 6 months if any repair occurs. Got It bags come with 1 year guarantee, and it will be exchanged piece to piece. Our organization is 20 years old. We deal in ladies handbags, college bags, airbags, traveling bags, laptop bags, suitcases, trolleys, etc. We are dealing in imported luggage also. We are the distributors for total ASP of products of Harrison's, Carolite, Encore, Got It. We have supplied all our products to major retailers, and our product is available in all over Andhra Pradesh. We are the sole distributors for all our products. You can get this product at any big outlet like at Abbott's, Amirpet, Secunderabad, etc. Our main office is at Isamia Bazaar only. We have got retail counters at Dilshad Nagar in name of Dattatreya Agencies at Isamia Bazaar, in also in the name of Dattatreya Agency. And we are selling all our products at wholesale prices only. Our prices are one at any place. Main office is at Isamia Bazaar. You can come and purchase any product from here only at the wholesale prices. The customer has to come here directly and purchase from here only. We can supply to their office if they give in bulk orders. We can show them samples also at their offices if they want, and we can do branding of their name and of their company. We can print all their names and everything on. If they purchase any bag, or if they want, we can give them any type of bag what is their demand. All sizes from 14 inches to 22 inches is airbags, and in trolleys from 20 inch to 28 inches is trolleys, imported trolleys, branded trolleys, all international luggage.